In this video, I will show you how easy it is to save Instagram voice messages so you can keep them forever. How to save voice messages. So first of all, let's open up the Instagram application and then let's go over to the DM. And let's select this as an example. So as you can see, this is a voice message. Let's tap and hold on that voice message. And as you can see, there is simply no option to save this voice message on Instagram. So in order to save this voice message, what you want to do is screen record it, just like what I'm doing right now. And for that, you can simply use your built-in screen recorder. Or you can go to the Google Play Store and you can download a screen recorder. Like this, and after that you can screen record while you play the voice message, and then you can save that screen recording to your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.